I've been using this DAW for 10 years, and here are 10 things I wish I knew before jumping into music production using FL Studio. Number 1. Arrange your layout to your liking. This is so overlooked. You should change all of these windows so they work for you and only you. This is how I arrange my stuff. I put the playlist on top like this, and I leave the mixer on the bottom. Stretch everything out. If you have multiple screens, you can go crazy with it, but make sure you have your own personal layout. To save it, you go here, View, Arrange Windows, Save Custom Layout. So every time you open FL, it's gonna pop up like that, or you can go to View, Arrange Windows, and Custom. Instead of slowly copying and pasting, you can actually duplicate things on the playlist by pressing Ctrl and B. You can select all the things you want by holding Ctrl and left click, and then just press Ctrl V. Much faster, right? Number 3, you can route all of your samples and sounds automatically to the master by selecting all of them by holding right click, clicking on the first track, pressing Ctrl, Shift, and L. Now all of your sounds are routed to the master. Number 4, always cut your 808s. You don't want to have this mistake in which your 808 clashes with each other. To avoid this, you just go to your 808, go to this little wrench right here, and in group, press cut self, and the 808 will cut itself each time a new note is being played. Another way you can achieve this, and this is the one that I use, is by going here, clicking on envelope, lowering everything, and turn the whole knob at max. Then I go to the piano roll, select everything by holding Ctrl and clicking, and pressing Ctrl and L. Number 5, randomize the velocity and panning. This is how you can add a human effect to your hi-hats. This is how they sound now. Very robotic. What you can do to fix this is just using the randomizer. First, you select all of them and press Alt plus R, or you can go to this little wrench and select randomize. You disable the pattern section right here, you disable it. Then you go to levels and push the velocity knob. This is how they sound after this change. More natural. If you want to learn very useful stuff with me and with people with the same interests, you can join my private community. We do 3 meetups per week, book one-on-one calls, and there's a lot of useful things, so make sure to check the link below. Number 6, instead of moving your piano roll notes manually, hold Shift and use the up and down arrow. If you want to move them by an octave, just hold down the Control key and then up and down. Number 7, you can make automations in sections. If you right-click something and create an automation, it will make a very long one that's very difficult to deal with. To fix this, you can select a portion of the song by holding right-click and then creating an automation. And now the automation will only last this amount of time. Number 8, following the previous one, you can move the automation points without changing their value. Does it happen to you that you try to move the point and then you slightly change the value? Just hold Shift before clicking and you'll be able to move it like this. And the value will stay the same. Number 9, here's how you can reorganize your channels. You select the channel you want to move up or down and just hold the Alt key and press the up and down arrow. To move multiple channels at once, you just right-click to select more of them and do the same thing. Number 10. This is how you use the slice tool. You want to get the perfect slice, but it's very difficult. What you need to do is hold the Shift button and look. Now it's perfectly vertical. So these were 10 tips. Oh wait, there's some extra tips I want to share with you. Number 11. Always render your music in WAV. You go to File, Export, WAV file. These are the configurations you should use when rendering your music for the highest quality, and these are the requirements for official music distribution, so make sure to understand the format and the settings when rendering. You can use FLAC as well, but that's a little bit overkill. Number 12, take out throat limiter from your master. Just take it out. Using a soft clipper with the default preset makes everything sound so much better. Number 13, join the damn community because you're missing out, man. I'm telling you, you can unlock your whole potential in like a month. I had to learn all of this stuff by myself, and there was no fun tutorials, no nothing back in the day, so stop sleeping and showing. So yeah, those were some tips I wish I knew. I hope you leveled up your knowledge with this video. I have plenty of tutorials on my channel, so make sure to watch all of that. And take care, bro. Go make some dope music.